स्पोर्ट्स से जुड़ी किसी भी छोटी या बड़ी अपडेट के लिए सब्सक्राइब करें स्पोर्ट्स तक और साथ ही किसी भी नोटिफिकेशन को पाने के लिए बेल आइकन को दबाना ना भूलें।
If India does go to Australia end of the year, all of this is hypothetical still, but just asking you that, for the test series, rather than traveling around, do you think a new model, at least in the short term, can be you play in one stadium and one city rather than traveling around, and that's how we can sort of contain and take precautions and go ahead and play, that you are in one stadium, one city, one hotel?
Yeah, I mean, see, once they open up the stadiums, once they open up the fixtures to play for us to play, only then we will get to know exactly how it's going to be planned out. Because from what I gather is, less movements, staying in one particular area, and all those things will be very, very important. And eventually, whichever city or whichever country the cricket will be happening, they probably will have to take all the necessary precautions in terms of medical facilities, in terms of whatever is necessary to avoid or stay away from this virus. Because I'm not really sure as to how long it's going to take for it to completely disappear. Yeah, whatever necessary steps we have to take, and we have to just stick by whatever rules or regulation we've been given. Like what happens to us when we go for ICC tournament, there is always an anti-doping corruption meeting and all that happens, that take place before the tournament starts, and we have to stick by it. And I think, in my opinion, is what I feel. There will be guidelines, henceforth, whenever we play, about how we control our movements around the hotel, how we control our movement around the city. I don't think we'll be able to go out freely if at all this happens, or if at all we are allowed to travel abroad. All those necessary steps will be taken for sure to make sure everybody is safe. And yes, like you said, every now and then we have to make sure that we are tested so that it doesn't spread, or it doesn't easily go across.